Hey, this is John with padprinters.com. I'm going to show you a TO100 XY table mounted to the Micro 90s work arm. So you can see the work arm has this table on it with 3 slots that are for T-nuts like this. I have pre-positioned this. I know that it's centered right now, but let me explain. So you say I have one here going through to a T-nut, and the other one is over here in the other corner using the other T-nut. So this table has plus or minus 12.5 millimeters of travel. So if I turn it all the way over here until it's done, and then I count out 12.5 rotations using these increments, which are 1/10 of a millimeter, so 12 rotations is 12 millimeters. That gets me about center, and you can see when I'm centered, I'm about halfway over this screw, halfway over that screw. So that gets me, you can see right down the middle of the work arm here, which once I put the cliche support on the machine, will align that way. And that's where you should mount it. Just a little bit off center. As you can see, I've got more space on the left than I do on the right here. That's going to get me squared up in the middle of travel, right and left, once I lock everything down. This is for a one color operation. Also, if you were mounting a rotary table on top of this, you want this to be in the same place so that once you mount your rotary table, you've got equal adjustment in X and Y axis. Thanks.